So welcome students. In this question you're asked to integrate 3 to 6 root x by root 9 minus x plus root x dx. In a very straightforward question, we have a formula which says that integration from a to b f of x dx is equal to integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Right? F of x can be replaced with a plus b minus x. In this question, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6. So if I take this integral as I is equal to integration from 3 to 6 root x by root of 9 minus x plus root x dx. So this I is also equal to integration from 3 to 6. So this x can be substituted by 3 plus 6 minus x, that is 9 minus x. Root of 9 minus x divided by root of 9 minus of 9 minus x is root x plus root of 9 minus x dx. So if I add these two, I get 2i is equal to integration from 3 to 6 root x plus root 9 minus x by root x plus root 9 minus x 1 dx, that is equal to x going from 6 to 3, that is 3. So this implies I is equal to 3 by 2. Thank you.